Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to increase tutorial size on Little Nightmares 3. Let's begin! First of all, we want to go into the settings. Then you want to go into UHD and Menus. And finally, you want to enter tutorial text size, and you can just bump this up. As you can see, this is the example tutorial. And if we increase it, we can see that this increases as well. But in-game, there is a very high chance that you may actually have no tutorial at all, and this is because you have it disabled. There is actually no way for us to enable it here. Instead, we want to go back, then go into accessibility, and in here we have the very first setting, display tutorials on. I believe that by default it is enabled, but if it's not, you can always enable it, and now we have tutorials for sure during our gameplay. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.